Did you know that it's possible to lock cells in Excel to protect specific data? In this short video, I'm going to show you how to exactly do it. Let's get started. So as you can see, I have a table with persons and two earnings columns which contain earnings for January and February and a sum column for both months. And you want to make the cells in January and February earnings columns unlocked for editing so users can input their own data. On the other hand, everything else should be locked or read-only. To do this, make sure everything's locked. Click the top left corner to select the whole sheet. Then right-click and pick Format Cells. Look in the Protection tab and make sure Locked option is checked. Then hit OK. Now, choose the cells you want to keep open for changes. Right-click again, select Format Cells, and uncheck Locked. Then hit OK button again. The last step is protecting the whole sheet. Go to the Review tab, click Protect Sheet, and set a password if you want. My password will be hello. Now re-enter the password again and hit OK button. Your earnings cells are now open for edits, but those names, column headings, and some formulas are locked in place. Let's try it. If you try to rewrite some of the earnings cell, it's not a problem at all. But if you try to rewrite, for example, Emily Anderson's name, the error message will appear. To undo this, go to the Review tab, click Unprotect Sheet, and type our hello password. Now you can edit everything again as you want. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to lock cells in Excel, ensuring the security and integrity of your data. If you have found this video helpful and it solved your problem, I would really appreciate if you leave a like below and comment to help other viewers. See you soon.